Just paid almost $900 in total right there for those 3 bags.
What the?
What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here. We're here. We paid $7,000 for this storage unit behind me. Let's see what's in here.
Holy crap. So I'll give you a little something here. Jessica and I did everything down this left side except where that white box comes. This all right here has been gone through. 50, 60 boxes of this type of stuff. Every flavor.
Philosophy.
I don't know if they all look to be brand new, but you never know if she could have opened one.
Brand spanking newbie, and look at that. Not even really used yet.
See, no, it's still closed. Some of this stuff, some of these bottles can go for as much as 200 bucks just for this shampoo bottle. This we brought home 45 brand new Dooney purses, a couple Kate Spades, bags full of like brand new key fobs for Doonies. We brought home several of these, about 15 pairs of Uggs.
That looks to be expensive. It's a Coca-Cola thing. It might not be too like old, but I know Coca-Cola things like this are kind of expensive. If I were to scan this right now on eBay, I feel like it's at least $100. Let's try it out.
Let's do it.
Let's see how expensive it is. Nope, no matches are found when I scan it, so.
I think you're right though. It's minimum of 100.
I think Birkenstock's kind of a nice brand of shoes. Box in a box. Oh my, brand new Birkenstock. Oh yeah, these are brand freaking new. All right, dang, how much are these worth, guys? I have no idea how much these are worth. Uggs. Ugh.
One of them could have 100 grand in it. Could make these first steak.
Oh my goodness.
See how they got the plastic on them still?
Ooh. The box was messed with, but this looks brand spanking new. What the heck are these? Yeah, it's nice. Those look pretty comfortable to wear around the house and stuff.
They're thick. Look at that.
Those are pretty thick, yeah. Fly London. I've never heard of this brand, but my dad said it's a pretty pricey brand. Fly London. Look at that.
Some more Hermione's. Do a little phone search on your phone on eBay just so you get shocked. Just type in London Fly.
Okay, let's hit highest price. $275, $264, $229.
Crazy, huh?
$199. That's kind of like the ones we just had. Looks like a little shoe stack right there. The past 5 boxes I've grabbed right on that stack are straight up shoes. Look, it comes with baggage too. All these are coming still in the bag. What size are these? Size 8. All right, that's a pretty neutral size. Like a lot of people can fit into that. At least not like our last shoe unit. And a bunch of size 5Y. Bum, bum, bum. Ooh, that's pretty cool.
Does it say Bed Bath & Beyond on the bottom?
Not bad. It probably wasn't super pricey. That might end up on the whatnot.
Whatever that is would cost 134.
Oh, 134 bucks for these. Oh, what are these? KOI. KOI. Dang. All right. They're pretty nice. Little heart shoes.
Clogs.
These don't even really like look that worn ever. You can tell by the bottoms.
I don't think anything. I honestly don't think she wore anything.
I think we just had one of these pairs. Maybe one of those pretty similar to that. Nice. These are all straight up new in bags. So we can put it on eBay and name it new shoes because they are. It's not
new open box.
Open box, yeah. They're open box. But look at these bottoms. Not even worn a single time.
And I'm seeing all these boxes as $100 bills. They're probably not like instant sales. You got to find somebody who wants those specific Hermione.
We got the blue, got the red. We're just collecting these shoes. I don't know why exactly though.
It's like if she likes them, she got every color.
Oh yeah, look at these ones we just looked at pretty much. These red shoes.
Look at that little wiggly line.
It's a weird brand though. Ooh, okay. Lipstick.
That's fly.
Got the lipstick shoes. How much are these? How much are these koi shoes?
Let me give you a little example here. I'll just type it in. And look where they top out at.
Woo.
Look at it. I think we just found shoes like this. So you're looking.
Just found those.
Like I said, I look at those as like $100 sale. All right, so holy crap! I know we don't have that one, but now I wish I did. 70 bucks a pop. So look,
that little one.
1, 2, 3, 4 of those.
The big one.
And then that doesn't even constitute the 2 big ones.
The big ones are probably like 200 bucks. Josie Marin Argan Oil Body Butter Whipped Creamery. Wow, this looks brand new in the box. There's 4 of them or 8 of them in here. Oh,
is this Jody Moran? Yeah.
Oh,
holy crap! Look at the price on those.
Yeah, they sell for 55 bucks. It looks like not super consistent, but if we put a bunch on eBay, they should sell, right?
Yeah. She pays 70.
Clark's Some Clarks, got them little Clarks. Alright. These don't look to be super pricey, but again, I could just be completely wrong. These look like a nice little $30 pair of shoes, $40. They're brand new. Some Josie Moran Argan Sugar Balm Body Scrub. Dang. Oh yeah, look at it. Got the seal on top and everything. Another box of Bleak, brand new. Look at it, sealed. These Bleaks are at least like $20 a box probably, right? It's brand new in the bag, in the box. Soft and cozy stuff. We don't really think it's too expensive, but it's cool to have like brand new. Like it's never worn or nothing. What is this? A DeLonghi portable evaporative cooler. It looks like it's definitely worth some money. The amount, I have no idea. Bum, bum, bum. Oh my crap. What is this?
Darn it.
Dooney and Burke. 228 bucks they paid for this.
Beautiful piece.
Oh my goodness. We got some more DBI boxes back here.
Yeah, look, there's two of them there. There's one there. There's one freaking here. I'm juiced.
Dooney and Burke.
It's a
248 for this one.
Same style, material, pebbled leather.
These ones go together, it looks like. 238 for this one. These look like they go together.
$400 or $500 right there, huh?
Right here, just sitting in this box. Ooh, it looks like there's several. Okay, we got a nice little $348 Dooney and Burke bag.
Righteous.
And just chilling in here, Brooklyn briefcase. This one doesn't seem to have a price tag on it. This one is $118. I guess that one's at least $100 too. Nice little matching set. Another Brooklyn briefcase for $348 in here. What is this? Dooney and Burke. Nice little wallet.
Nice little, that matches the pebbled pink one in the previous.
Oh yeah, we got this little nice little wallet, bag, and then purse, whatever you name it. That's a nice little set right there. Money.
Uncle Michael's gonna dibs that one. Holy crap.
Holy freaking frick. This is a $428 one though, so.
Wow.
Oh my.
Jumpin' Jehoshaphat, bro.
A whole box of them. This one's $198 for this small little bag. This big old one was $288. Pretty nice. Another pink one. This one was $288. Dooney and Burke. I never even heard of this brand. It's a nice brand though. That's a big old bag. These are brand new. She just bought them and never opened them or nothing. Yep, she paid almost $900 in total right there.
That was for
those 3 bags.
What the?
Whole another box of these Dooney and Burke. This isn't a pretty big old box. $198 for that bag. $268 for that bag. $268 for this bag. $198 for that bag. Same thing here, I'm assuming. $198, it's the same bag. This bag is $268.
That one's kind of beautiful. It brings out the color in your eyes. I think you should get it.
Oh really? I get both of these then.
Yeah.
See, do they have a collective total at the bottom? Probably not, but that's at like almost $1,300 probably right there that you spent. All right, guys, we're back. It's been some time since that storage unit. I think it's been, honestly, I think it's been like freaking 3 months.
This $1,900 Christmas tree right here, which is for sale, by the way.
Wow.
That one is part of it. Everything right there we haven't filmed from the $7,000 storage unit, and everything up there is basically from it. And
all right then.
It's been, some of it's not been gone through.
The main question is, how much do you think you made from the unit?
Well, see, sometimes you have to remember that maybe I don't always show my best item ever in the video. And there was one item that I sold for $5,000 in that storage unit right off the bat, right? Found 87 Doonies. Those were worth about an average of $150 a piece. I think when I was done listing them, there was over 15,000 just in that. We sold 2 pieces of Waterford out of there for $1,800. 2 of them. That's the price plus the shipping. And I would speculate, to be honest with you, that unit probably turned into overtime, right? Because we found, let's say, 50 to 60 boxes of Philosophy. You can show them what that is if you want to. We found 100 pairs of shoes. I think we did over 30 grand in sales. I don't have an exact number because the way I do things is we are 7,000, 8,000, 30,000, and 9,000. We are now at 54,000 invested into 4 of her units.
Like I said, this is like 4 months after we found this unit, guys. So we are like he said, 50-something thousand dollars deep. This is part 1 of 4 or 3 videos I'll have of this. This is the $7,000 one. My next video will be the $8,000 one, and you guys already know we have the $30,000 unit. Back here is headquarters for all of the merchandise we've been getting. Look at this. We've got a bunch of shoes. This is a quarter of the shoes we've been listing. It's definitely not all of them yet. This is all of our philosophy we have listed. We've sold a lot as well, but this is what we have listed still. Some back here as well. Some on this shelf. Doonies, look at that. Whole thing of Doonies right there. Some more philosophy on that whole shelf. This whole wall is a lot of Doonies as well. Look at that. Tote of Doonies. All of them Doonies. And right here we also have another like 8 totes, 9 totes full of Dooney and Burks. Come over here. Then we have a bunch of shoes, Waterford, random different high valuable things we got. And with that being said, stay tuned for our next video on the $8,000 storage unit. And if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Put a heart in the comments. Peace out.